single-story luxury gated Inspirada. Hi, Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com. We have another one of these fantastic single-story homes. It's got my favorite round rotunda. We've filmed several of these lately, and there's another one that's active on the market over on Singoli. You have to get in and take a look. I love doing this shot. Amazing looking property. So what I like is you have your formal dining here. Plantation shutters, tile throughout. This is the den. And what I like is you have this guest bath, powder bath here. But yet down the hall, you have, let me show you, you have another, I thought I was going to go in that. So you have this bedroom with a walk-in closet. Now they also have this floor plan where instead of the third car garage there on the side, it is like a casita type suite. That one's still on the market. That was recently reduced. I think what I'll do is I'll put a link to the multiple floor plans of this style home, because this floor plan really is such a great layout. So dual sinks, nice granite type surround, and the laundry room is really awesome size because you also have this great sink and cabinets. Awesome if you've got a little dog. We have a Maltese Sophie ourselves, and it's great when you can wash them right there. So this layout's so open. Now we have seen it where this wall has a bank of cabinets as well, which you could probably add cabinets if you wanted. But look at this island and this gorgeous piece of granite. So reverse osmosis, the TVs stay, refrigerator, washer and dryer, and look at this fridge. KitchenAid, it's amazing. Cooktop. All right, let's go to the backyard. There is a fire pit. It's about 112 degrees out tonight. It's almost 7 p.m. or just a little after. But we try to get as many of these out as soon as possible. And the swing set stays. Little rock climbing wall. This looks like a lime tree. All right. We'll head into the primary. Again, I am a fan of this floor plan. And you have a big pantry there as well. So I like how you have this entry into the primary. It gives you a little separation. So primary bedroom, and I'll show you in a second. One of my favorite things about this floor plan, and everyone has had these, it's that bank of cabinets, and then awesome place for coffee maker in the morning. You wouldn't even have to leave your room Sunday mornings. So let's get in here and see this primary suite. So it's got this really cool L-shaped double vanity, deep garden tub, nice shower with the bench seat, and this big walk-in closet. And this safe also stays. Probably because nobody wanted to lift it and move it out of here. So You know the drill. Jeff Mix, homesandinspirada.com. We have every listing from every brokerage all on our site, homesandinspirada.com. If you want to see this home or anything else that you see, you just call us. We're here. We're out here all the time filming. We're going to have close to 60 videos by the end of the week of this style of home tour. I appreciate you watching.